Quanzhou Qisheng Machinery Manufacturing Company Limited is located in Quanzhou, Fujian Province, the cultural capital of East Asia and the leading region of China's brick machine industry. We are a comprehensive operator specializing in brick-making integrated solutions. It is a high-tech enterprise integrating research and development, production, sales, and service. The company has always been adhering to the development concept of pioneering, innovation, integrity, and win-win. It has been rated as a national high-tech enterprise, Fujian High-tech Enterprise, and Fujian Science and Technology, small and medium-sized enterprise, and is listed in the Straits Equity Trading Center. Up to now, the company has formed QS Series High Automatic Production Line, Intelligent Belt Rack Maintenance Automatic Production Line, Intelligent RGV Automatic Production Line, various specifications of concrete block forming machine, Intelligent Hydraulic Brick Making Machine, QS1200B, High Retaining Hole Palletizing System, Sintered Brick, Air Block Upgrade Automatic Retaining Hole Packaging System, and various non-standard palletizing system upgrade. Design the best solutions for different customers and provide the best supporting products to solve various problems in professional production. Qisheng Machinery focus on professional and win-win cooperation.